Have you ever wondered what the future holds for you? What if I told you that you can predict your future using the ancient art of numerology? Yes, numerology, the mystical study of numbers and their hidden meanings. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to predict your future with numerology, share some shocking facts that will blow your mind, and reveal real-life examples of predictions that came true. Imagine being able to unlock your destiny and harness the cosmic power that's been guiding you all along. If you're ready to step into your future, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is numerology? It's the study of numbers and their mystical meanings, and it's been used for centuries to understand life's paths, guide decisions, and predict future events. Every number in your life, whether it's from your birth date, your name, or the current year, carries a frequency that holds the potential to reveal what's coming next. For instance, 2025 is a universal year 9, which is all about endings, transformation, and spiritual growth. This makes 2025 the perfect year to tap into numerology to predict your future, because this powerful energy of completion is pushing us all to let go of the past and step into the new. In this video, I'll show you how you can decode your future using the magic of numbers. Buckle up, because we're about to uncover the truth. There are several powerful methods in numerology that anyone can use to predict their future. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, these methods will help you see what's ahead. Let's begin with the first method. Your personal year number tells you the energy and themes you'll experience in a specific year. To calculate it, simply add your birthday and month to the current year. Then reduce it to a single digit. Let's walk through an example. Suppose you were born on March 15th, and we're predicting for 2025. First, add up 3 March plus 15 day plus 2025 year. Here's the magic. 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 so 9. Then add that to your birthday and month. 3 plus 15 plus 9 so 27, and reduce it further. 2 plus 7 so 9. This means your personal year number for 2025 is a 9. Personal year 9 represents endings, closure, and preparing for a new beginning. If you're in a personal year 9, this year is all about letting go and finishing up loose ends. Think of it as cleaning up before the next cycle begins. Now let's move to the second method. Your life path number is the most powerful number in your numerology chart. It reveals your life's purpose and the long-term themes you'll experience. To calculate your life path number, simply add the digits of your birth date and reduce them to a single digit. For example, let's say you were born on July 23rd, 1990. Add 7 July plus 22 day plus 1990 year. Reduce the year. 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 sus 19, then 1 plus 9 sus 10, and finally 1 plus 0 sus 1. Now add 7 plus 22 plus 1 sus 30, and 3 plus 0 sus 3. So your life path number is 3, which means you're here to be creative, communicative, and expressive. If you're in a universal year 9, like 2025, you might face some emotional challenges as you release old fears about expressing yourself. Next, let's dive into the third method. Your destiny number, or expression number, is calculated from the letters of your full name and reveals your potential future achievements. Using the Chaldean method, assign numbers to each letter, A1, B2, C3, etc. Sum them and reduce them to a single digit. For example, let's take the name John Doe. J is set to 1, O categories 7, H is set to 5, N categories 5, D is set to 4, O categories 7, E is set to 5. Add 1 plus 7 plus 5 plus is 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5 is 34. Reduce it. 3 plus 4 is 7. A destiny number 7 means your future is focused on spiritual growth, research, and introspection. In 2025, this person might feel drawn to exploring mysticism or diving deep into self-discovery. Now let's get into some shocking facts about predicting the future with numerology that will leave you stunned. Let's start with fact number 1. Did you know that numerology has been used to predict major world events? Take the year 2001, a universal year 3. The number 3 is all about communication and expression. Numerologists later noted that the events of September 11th, 2001 aligned with this energy. Global communication was disrupted, and the world faced a moment of chaos. In 2025, a universal year 9, we might see the resolution of global issues like peace talks or breakthroughs in sustainability. But watch out. The energy of Mars could also bring tension if not handled with compassion. Let's move to fact number 2. Many celebrities use numerology to make big decisions. Oprah Winfrey, for instance, has a life path number 4, which signifies hard work and laying down foundations. In 2007, Oprah launched the Oprah Winfrey Leadership Academy for Girls during a personal year 9. The perfect time for her to align with her humanitarian values and global mission. Numerology guided her to create an institution dedicated to transforming young lives. Here's fact number 3. In numerology, missing numbers can reveal future challenges. Albert Einstein, for instance, was missing the number 3 from his chart, which led him to struggle with communication early in life. He overcame this by focusing on his genius, showing that numerology can predict both challenges and solutions. Now, let's talk about how numerology predictions have come true in real life. Let's take the case of Sarah, born on April 10th, 1985. In 2023, Sarah was in a personal year 1, and numerology predicted new beginnings for her. Sure enough, she quit her job and started a successful life coaching business, perfectly aligning with the energy of a personal year 1. Let's look at Elon Musk, born June 28, 1971. His life path number is 8, which predicts a life focused on power, wealth, and material success. Numerology foresaw that Musk would achieve massive financial success, and today he's one of the wealthiest people on the planet. His journey wasn't always smooth, but the prediction of wealth and influence certainly came true. In 2016, the last universal year 9, numerologists predicted major global shifts because of the number 9's energy of endings. That year saw Brexit and the US election of Donald Trump, events that marked the end of old political systems and the start of new eras. In 2025, another universal year 9, we might see similar shifts, perhaps the resolution of ongoing conflicts or the rise of new global movements for justice and sustainability. Let's now discuss how to use numerology to transform your life in 2025. First, calculate your personal year number for 2025. Understand what each number means so you can align with its energy. Second, align with the universal year 9 energy. Finish old projects, declutter, and let go of what's holding you back. Third, look at your life path and destiny numbers for long-term predictions. Use them to guide big decisions, like a career, move, or relationships. Fourth, check for missing numbers in your numerology chart. If you're missing a number, that's the area to focus on for growth. Lastly, set intentions that align with your numerology predictions. Predicting your future with numerology is an incredibly powerful tool, and 2025 is the perfect year to start. What's your personal year number for 2025? Calculate it and share it in the comments. I'd love to hear your predictions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Cosmic Power for more numerology insights, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. For a deeper dive, check out my video on the Universal Year 9 and how it'll impact you in 2025. It's linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make 2025 the year of growth and transformation.